Hi viewers. Now the class is related to the debate. So I have uploaded a video debate part 1 and it is a debate part 2 the small video. Why? Because in this video I am going to explain only cases. At what cases what happens specific heat and what is the relation between temperature and a specific heat only. Okay. So case 1. Right, so debate theory of specific heat. So what we got one formula in debate theory of specific heat, that is Cv is equals to 9n kb T by Td whole cube integration 0 to Td by T e power x power 4 by e power x minus 1 square dx. This thing we got. So in the last video, in the part 1 video, so we got this one. So now what we have to do, we have to apply the cases. Case 1. In case 1, at high temperature, right, at high temperature, what changes occurs in the specific heat, that is we have to know. At higher temperature, at high temperature means e power x. So see here, x is what? X is equals to h nu d by kBT, and this can be written as h nu d by kBT as t d by t d by t. Now at higher temperature means when T is greater than, here let me write, T is greater than T. This is a high temperature. When applied temperature is more than the debate temperature, then only we can say it is a debate temperature. It is a higher temperature. So in this high temperature, when it is high, so it is present in the x at a denominator. When denominator term is high, then x term automatically low. Right, when this temperature is high, then x term is low. So see here, and now according to it is low term. Now e power of x can be written as 1 plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial plus so on, like this we write. But always we know, just now we know what just now I explained, x term is low. For the lower term, if we square and if we divide, again its value very small value. This small value if we add to this, then nothing will change. So what I am doing, higher terms I am neglecting. Neglecting higher power terms. Right, neglecting higher power terms, then what happens? When higher power terms are neglected, then what happens? So I am going to erase this one. Now see, when higher power term is neglected, e power x can be written as 1 plus x. Right, so this term is neglected, this is neglected, from this all the terms neglected. So remaining two terms only this is. Okay. So x is small, just now we learned. Right, and now see, and subtract minus 1 value on either side. E power x minus 1 plus x minus 1 gets cancelled x. In the place of this term, simply write, substitute this one. And in the place of e power of x, what you have to do? See here. In the place of this, e power x from this 1 plus x. We know x term is very much low. is smaller terms, if you add to the 1, nothing will change. So that means e power of x can be written as approximately equal to 1. Where x term, smaller x term is small value. The small value if you add to the 1, then now no more changes will occur. So simply e power of x approximately written as 1. So in the place of this, substitute this one. In the place of this, substitute this one. Then we get what we get. CV is equals to 9n kb t by td whole cube 0 to td by t. Here 1 according to this into x power 4 dx by, in this bracket see simply x only, x but square is there. Now first square terms 2 will get cancelled, remaining 2 is 2 will available. CV is equals to 9n kb t by td whole cube integration 0 to td by t x square dx. Integrating this one, and if you substitute if you apply the limits, then we get, I am not doing this one, I am writing directly. CV is equals to 9n kb t by td whole cube. So integrating this one, what you get? X cube by 3, right? X cube by 3. In this place, if you apply the limits, then so if you apply this one, you get this one. If you apply this one, you get 0. So that is why applying this one. And right first and write x cube by 3 where 0 to td by t. CV is equals to, what is the CV is equals 9n kb t by td whole cube x by 3 is allow, substitute this one td by t whole cube, right? Minus 0 minus, substitute this one, we get 0, so no need to write. Now see, these are reciprocal to each other, then these two gets cancelled, remaining 9n kb only. Let n, this n number of oscillator can be written as number of written as Avogadro number. Let the number of oscillators are equal to Avogadro number. Then CV is equals to 9n by 3. I have forgotten here, by 3. Where this is a by 3. So 3 ones are 3 threes are here 3 and 3 and kb, right? And now we know NA kb is simply R. CV is equals to 3R, where NA kb is R, right? This is R is called universal gas constant. So here specific heat at higher temperature doesn't depends on temperature. By using this we can conclude that at higher temperature specific heat is independent. So that is the things from this. Okay. And next case 2. In the case 2, what is the case 2? At higher temperature is over. At high temperature specific heat is this side. This formula already we got in Dulong-Petitla and as well as in Einstein theory, and now also in Debye also we are getting. So that means what? At a higher temperature specific heat is independent. That is exactly correct. But at a lower temperature, what is the formula? So that is we must know. Right? At low temperature, case 2. low temperature. That means low temperature means here T is less than TD. Right? Applied temperature is less than debate temperature. Then only we call it is a low temperature. Right? So when it is in low temperature, what is the X term? X is equals TD by T. Right? When temperature is lower, in denominator term is lower, then X term or this term will be high. It is high term. We get higher value. So that means X value is high. So that means this ratio is high. This high, where is your TD by T? At this point. This higher means how much? This high means I am saying it is approximately equal to infinity. We must consider it as infinity. Now substitute in the place of this as infinity here and take this one. Cv is equals to 9n kb T by Td whole cube. Integration 0 to where? 0 to, it is 0 to infinity. Right? E power x, x power 4 by e power x minus 1 whole square into dx. Now 0 to infinity, this term, this totally, there is a one simple formula. So what is that? There is a one value. What is that value? Now I am going to substitute its value 0 to infinity. So 0 to infinity, we can do this one by using UV method, U by V method, right? So now see, now I am going to once again erase this one. Why? Because remaining things we have to do here. At a lower temperature, here infinity, Cv is equals 9n kb T by Td whole cube. This term is what? Its value is 4 pi power 4 by 15. Right? Simply its value is this one. After doing integration from 0 to infinity, then we get this value. Right? So let me erase this one. And now Cv is equals to 9, 3 3s are 3 5s are 3 into 4 12 plus right pi power 4 n kb, right? So separate this one t cube by td cube and td cube right by this and write t cube separately, right? So 3 4s are pi power 4, okay, n kb by td cube and t cube is separated. So here Td is a debate temperature, it is a particular temperature, it is a constant. Kb, everybody know it is a constant, whole one constant, and number of oscillator cannot be changed. So that means it is also constant. And we know these two terms are constant. So that means all these things are constant, and by including equal, we can write it is a simple form Cv directly proportional to T cube. That is why debate theory of specific heat is also called as T cube law, because at lower temperature specific heat varies directly proportional to cube of absolute temperature. Up to what? When temperature increases, specific heat is also increases. Up to what? At a higher temperature, this thing cannot follow. At higher temperature, we know it is 3R. Now see the graph. Temperature and specific heat. See, it is a directly proportional, means you get like this, right? And where means at higher temperature, it is at higher temperature 3R. It follow this up to here and later cannot change. Temperature, as we increase the temperature, it always after certain temperature, after debate temperature or after certain temperature, its value what happens constant. So that means specific heat doesn't change at higher temperature. But as decreasing the temperature, specific heat also changes. So that means specific heat also decreases like this. Okay, so this is a graph plotted in Debye theory of specific heat. So like this, these are the two important cases. Okay, thank you friend.